Oh, shit.
Okay, are we on? Okay, good. That's all right. Take 58, for those of you who know me. Technical difficulties. I don't know what the heck I'm doing with my phone. Thank you, Jimmy Decrescnzo up there in Montana, for writing this song many years ago. I love it. And it's very apropos for these times. And I'd like to send this song out to the world and all my friends and fans in various states, Washington, Michigan, my else, Montana. Hello to my wife Karen also. When clouds come overhead, you know I will not fret. I'll see it through. There will come a day when the sun will shine my way, and I know my time is through. Let it rain, let it pour like the Dickens, let it rain. I'll be out there picking all things. Let it rain. Well, here's to all my friends and relations. Come on by. You don't need a special invitation, just a cloud in the sky. Let it rain, let it pour like the Dickens, let it rain. I'll be out there picking all the things. Oh Lord, let it rain. Well, after the rain, the air is so sweet, and it feels so good. After the pain, healing is complete, like I prayed it would be. Oh Lord, let it rain. Sing with me. Let it pour like the Dickens, let it rain. I'll be out there picking all the things. Oh Lord, just let it rain. Let it rain. Come on now. Let it rain. I'll be out there picking all the things. Let it rain. I said, oh, let it. Thank you. God bless you.